Hi, this is Oliver again from the TransformerPiano, and in this episode I want to show you what it takes to disassemble the whole TransformerPiano in case you want to take it on stage. Let's have a look at the time first. You might want to start with removing your stage piano. Three minutes and we are already done half the way. Not one screw used. Okay, 6 minutes and you're ready to go. I want to show you what you have to expect when it comes to packaging. Whether if you receive the TransformerPiano when you purchase it, or if you have to move from one flat to another, or finally if you consider taking it on stage. As you can see, I have arranged all the parts here in two staples, a bigger one on the left side and a flatter one on the right side. They are almost as long as your piano will be wide, so in this case 155 centimeters. They are not perfectly aligned now. As you can see, there are parts standing apart, like the pedals, but this will be part of the product development to design a nice packaging. Maybe we will even split this larger staple into two parts to get smaller packages. So thank you for watching. Next episode I will show you how we reassemble the TransformerPiano. Bye.